Great. I would now like to introduce Deka Biosciences. Deka Biosciences is an early-stage biotechnology company focused on generating the next-generation targeted cytokine therapies to treat cancer and inflammatory diseases. Deka has also developed systems that will help it select the right patients for its therapies. Please welcome Pavel, Khrimian, CBO of Deka Biosciences.
Hi, everyone. I'm Pavel, Khrimian, CBO and co-founder of Deka Biosciences. I'm going to thank the host for having me. And also, I'm going to spend the next 4 minutes convincing the investors why they should click on Deka in the next investor poll. So Deka Biosciences, it's actually very simple. Our mission from the get-go was to really bring changes to patients' lives. Patients were suffering from devastating diseases such as cancer and inflammatory diseases such as Crohn's, psoriasis, and sepsis. And at Deka, we had the opportunity to do just that. So we've created the next generation cytokine therapies that really will bring this difference in patients' lives. You may ask yourself, why do we even care? And then that's on the left, because about 560,000 patients on an annual basis, just in the US, suffer from cancer. I mean, this is devastating. You could just imagine your loved ones suffering from these diseases. So I'm happy to say on the right side, we have found a solution to address the market in a very profound way. We have about a 17 billion addressable market in oncology. And if you go fast forward to in the inflammatory market, our molecules have the opportunity to capture about 42 billion of this large market. Thanks to COVID, everyone now understands what it means to have a cytokine storm. People die from it. We now, thanks to COVID, learned this. And we have the ability at Deka to tamp down this disease and help patients to go on with their lives. How do we do that? Our solution is quite simple, actually. We're not reinventing the wheel. We're actually going to follow the science. We're going to just do it better, and we're going to bring these changes to patient lives. And we're going to teach the immune system how to target the tumor and get rid of the tumor without causing any side effects. And then our early data suggests that we're able to do that. In anti-inflammatory, it's the other way around. It's actually teaching the immune system to tamp down any unwanted inflammation. If you think about Crohn's, any cytokine storm that comes through patients, our molecules have shown evidence that they tamp down the immune system to allow people to go on with their daily routine. So it's actually a very innovative way to address these devastating diseases. Of course, just like in any other industry, we are in competition. However, as you can see, Deka is doing it differently. We are doing it we're following the science. Our molecules are superior. And first, we know how to make it. This is a big industry challenge, as we see with COVID as well. Manufacturers are having a hard time making enough doses. We have found a way to make it faster, cheaper. And the biggest differentiation is the fact that we know which patients we need to treat. That's the precision medicine aspect of it. And if you follow the news today, we have one of our competitors just sold to Merck for $1.8 billion. So the market opportunity for Deka in this very short time frame is very, very bright. Here's our molecule. This is our product, very innovative way of bringing these two cytokines together. So if you see my cursor, I'm hovering over the diabody component, which is right in the middle. And then we have cytokine 1 on the right and cytokine 2 on the left for cancer. And similarly, different cytokines, but we have essentially the same model. So this is truly a platform that is highly manufacturable. It is superior, and there's nothing like it in the industry. And the last piece of it is we have filed significant IP in a very short time frame. We've been in business for 2 years. We already have 4 patents granted, and there's no competition that does what we have set out to do. We have a very cool team, very knowledgeable, very skilled. Several exits between us, a lot of money raised between us. And I will also add that we are in the process of adding to our team by getting some world-class clinicians and doctors on our SAB from very reputable organizations around the globe. What are we asking? Well, we're looking for syndication partners for a 20 million Series A round. We have raised today 3.7. We've put that to use. Nobody took salary. We've established our platform. We have lead molecules in oncology and in inflammatory disease. So the next 20 million will take us through the getting these molecules ready for clinical trials. and then one molecule into clinical trials and complete that phase 1. And so that you can see the tranches that we proposed, 9 million to get these assets ready, and then 11 million to get it into the clinical phase 1 and complete it. And as I said, the opportunity is really bright. This is the hottest space in science. The cytokines are literally taking the industry by the storm, no pun intended. And we are right there with very innovative science and very cool team that is very high of energy. Thank you for your attention, and I would definitely love to see you in our breakout sessions.